Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will break down the top 5 best wall ovens, and which wall ovens I found to be the best. I will go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video you'll find out which one in my opinion is the best wall ovens and ranked at number 1. If you want to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description, as I have included the link to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have Cosmo Electric Single Wall Oven. For those seeking a high-end oven without a hefty price tag, the Cosmo Single Wall Oven is a fantastic option. Equipped with European True Convection technology, it ensures your meals are cooked with professional-level precision. Despite its spacious 5 cubic feet capacity, the oven is energy efficient thanks to its hidden bake elements. The Cosmo Oven offers 7 versatile cooking functions, including bake, broil, convection roast, and proof. Its automatic self-cleaning feature uses high temperatures to burn away spills and soot, reducing cleaning time. The advanced cooling ventilation system ensures the exterior remains cool to the touch, preventing burns. While some users may need time to adjust to the temperature controls, the Cosmo Wall Oven is a great choice for those who value efficiency and convenience. It combines large cooking capacity, energy savings, and advanced features, making it an excellent option for those who want professional results at home. At number 4, we have Impava Gas Range True Convection Oven. The Impava Gas Range with True Convection Oven is highly regarded for its versatility and performance. This 36-inch freestanding or slide-in range fits perfectly into most kitchens with dimensions of 36 inches wide by 27.6 inches deep by 36.3 inches high. It includes 6 burners, offering 2 18,000 BTU, 2 12,000 BTU, and 2 9,000 BTU options, making it ideal for various cooking tasks. The durable cast iron grates provide reliable support for pots and pans. The oven features a 10,000 BTU broil burner and an 18,500 BTU burner with a spacious 6.0 cubic foot capacity. Its commercial convection fan circulates air for even cooking, eliminating cold spots. The oven also includes a 3-layer low-E tempered glass door and halogen lighting for better visibility. At number 3, we have GE Combination Wall Oven. This oven is equipped with glass touch controls, making it easy to set temperatures with precision. The smooth glass surface also ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. It features a delayed start function, allowing users to schedule the baking process for a predetermined time. This is ideal for those who want their meal ready at a specific time without rushing the cooking process. In addition, this wall oven includes a built-in microwave, making it a perfect choice for kitchens with limited space. The lower oven is equipped with 3 heavy-duty self-cleaning racks that can be adjusted into 6 different positions, providing flexibility for various cooking needs. The 8-pass broil element in the lower oven ensures even baking from edge to edge. The oven also has a control lock for safety, providing peace of mind. However, while it includes a timer, the sound might not be loud enough for some, and only the lower oven offers a self-cleaning option. At number 2, we have GE PT7800 SHSS Microwave Wall Oven. The GE Appliance Wall Oven is a reliable and versatile addition to any kitchen, combining the functionality of both a convection oven and a microwave. The lower oven is equipped with true European convection, featuring a 3rd heating element and fan, ensuring deliciously even cooking results. It also boasts a 10-pass bake element for consistent baking throughout. For broiling, the lower oven includes an 8-pass broil element, providing full broil coverage for perfect results every time. The upper oven features a convection microwave, circulating heat for optimal cooking and warming. The oven is designed with user-friendly touch controls, making it easy to operate. The interior oven light allows you to monitor the cooking process closely, and the smooth gliding racks make loading and unloading hassle-free. At number 1, we have Impava Single Wall Oven. Finding a wall oven with a rotisserie setting can be challenging, but the Impava Single Wall Oven excels in this area and more. This versatile oven offers 10 different functions, including preheat broil, true convection broil, bake, convection roast, and more. Additionally, it features a 360-degree rotisserie function that perfectly roasts chicken. With a 2.3 cubic feet cooking capacity and 5 rack positions, it provides ample space to cook a variety of dishes. The oven is designed with a 2-layer tempered glass exterior, ensuring it remains cool to the touch, reducing the risk of burns during use. Its convection technology allows for even and fast cooking, while the responsive touch control makes it easy to operate. The interior oven light and clear viewing window offer visibility to monitor the cooking process. The enamel tank resists heat discoloration, simplifying the cleaning process. However, the oven's height can make installation under standard cabinets a bit tricky. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.